Nelson Mandela once said that actually education is the greatest weapon that we can use to change the world. But right now, Indonesia has a very serious issue in education fields, especially in the literacy skill. I am, as an English education department student, has a strong concern on it. So, my focus right now is actually to improve the quality of education in my community, from being a volunteer in American Corner and also being a debater in my debate club society. And right now I will show you what do I do. Here they are.
Hi, my name is Ilham Azizi. Right now, I am a volunteer in the American Corner. I facilitate people who want to learn the grammar and also facilitates the pre-service teacher who want to be an English teacher in English teaching forum. Not only that, I also help my lecturer in their community service in helping other students with visually impaired to learn English through the audio storybook. I think that's why I have to be selected in this program. Thank you.